Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my cannabis training tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about cloning. Now, a clone is a cutting such as a branch that is cut off a living cannabis plant, which will then grow into a plant itself. It has the same genetic makeup as the plant it was taken from. Now, a typical clone is about 6 inches in length, and after cutting it off from the mother plant, the cutting is then put into some rooting powder or some rooting hormone and then transferred into a rooting medium such as a root cube. This would encourage the cutting to grow into a plant all on its own. Now, if you don't want to mess with seeds, clones can be a great option of growing cannabis plants. They would save a lot of time as you don't have to wait until the seed germinates and then grows. You can do it, you just have to wait until the roots develop, and that's it. Now, one of the best things about clones is that they are exact genetic replicas of the mother plant that they are taken from. So if the plant is of a specific gene and gender, the clone would be the exact same thing. Now, as you can see, I've already taken a cutting and I've taken it from lower on the plant, closer to the base of the plant, because the lower the branches are that you take the cutting from, the more root hormone that the branch is going to have. And this would encourage the growth of the roots more quickly than if you would take it from on top of the plant. So I've taken the cutting and I've placed it into a glass of water. This is done to make sure that air doesn't corrupt or it doesn't affect the rooting process. So as we've taken it out, we're going to cut the branch at a 45-degree angle. We have some rooting powder here, some rooting hormone, and we're just going to take it and dip it into the rooting hormone and place it into the medium that we're growing. What you want to do next, you just want to trim off some of the excess leaves that are there. So this is just an example, but this is basically the process that we're going for. We took the cutting from the bottom of the plant, placed it in water. We took the stem and we cut it at a 45-degree angle, placed it in some rooting powder and put it in the medium. Now we're going to be observing this plant over the next course of the week to see if it catches. Now it's always recommended that you do more clones than you require because some of the clones don't germinate, they don't catch. So it's important to do a few more clones than you would require in case some of them dies.